Before we move into the intricate of our database, let's quickly install Robo3T, which is used to manage our MongoDB database like view, migrate, do autocomplete queries, drag and drop, and do some other maintenance on our MongoDB database. So you head straight to robomongo.org. From there, you get to download the package suitable for your machine. If you're running Linux or Windows, you have the download studio 3T only, and also download Robo3T only, which is like a specific part from the whole package. So let's head straight for this. We're going to click on this, and you have for download your double pack uh, package, and you could actually do this. So we have for Windows, Mac, and Linux. For Linux over here, for Mac, and for Windows. Now for Mac, I'm actually going to input my email address, my first name, last name, and the area code, which is Nigeria over here, 234. Cool. And you get to download for Mac. So you have that started up. That's a kind of zip, which you could see for XX installation. This for Windows, for XX, and for Linux. So that could actually take the substantial amount because this up to a 304. Are we going for the studio? Oh, okay. Let me see. Actually, opt for the Robo3T only. Okay. Oh, the most powerful. Okay. Okay. I think that came in bundled. So okay, we're fine. Fine. That's actually going to get installed within a couple of minutes. So no problem with that. We'll get it set up very soon. I'm going to actually unzip and get that extracted. So it's actually pointing us down to the full package, which is right there in zip folder. We'll get that set up very soon. So the essence of Robo3T is we should have a kind of lookout to check our database state, to let us know if our database is right, actually set up correctly. So we could actually issue out some queries. You could do a get, you could do a post, you could do a delete, you could manipulate your database without the code. So that's one advantage or one essence of the Robo3T. So it's actually going to manage all the intricacies of your MongoDB database. So as we wait for the full installation, which is completed within a few seconds, we'll get to finish up very quickly now. Fine, it's completed. So I'm going to actually use the finder to know where this is. So from there, I could interact with it. Now I need to first of all extract it into a folder, open up the folder. We have Robo3T, we have the studio, and we have the connection itself. So I will actually go for this. So we could actually have that set up. So we're going to move this into the application folder. Fine, and you could do away with this. In the application folder, you open a new tab. You have Robo3T over here. Over here, could you see Robo3T? And you start it up. Okay, we're going to open this up. Going to agree, but before you continue, make sure that you've actually started your MongoDB server. Don't forget, I could show you how to do that again. You're going to issue MongoDB config /user local etc mongodb.conf. We've covered that in previous video. You could check the first or second video about now we move to next. Okay, we could finish up, or is it very important to do that? I don't think so. Okay, now let's create add first connection. You have all it, or you have a default, the type, the name, the address, and everything. You could actually maintain that, and let's save that and have that set up quickly. And the port of where the Robo3T is actually using is 27017. Let's connect quickly. Once you have your project this way, you get to notice that this is connected successfully to your MongoDB. You can see the admin, you can see the local. So once you start working up with different inputs, you get to see them right there on this platform. So don't go anywhere. We'll be moving ahead to how we're going to actually set up our project for the Real API construction.